Keith huwa żeffien. Mit-tnejn sa' Sibt jiddedika ruħu ġismu għas-sfin. Iżda Keith mhux minn dejjem kien jaspira li jsir żeffien. Keith għamel 3 snin fl-Università ta' Malta jistudja bilan li jsir avukat, imma minflok il-qorti sibnieh l-Università l-Antika jisfen passjoni li ma bħala, flimkien mal-10 kollegi tiegħu biex itellaw spettaklu bl-isem Sfin Days f'dan it-tmiem il-ġimgħa. Keith stqarmana li applika biex jagħmel parti mill-kumpanija Sfin Malta kważi bħala ċajta. Iżda llum ilu għal dawn l-aħħar 6 snin jaħdem bħala żeffien full-time.
I had finished the first 3 years, I had my bachelor's degree, and around the same time auditions for the company were opening up. So I auditioned mostly as a joke. Not as a joke, but kind of not expecting to get anywhere, because there are people who train full-time, there are people who've been coming from abroad, who have been training in other full-time companies, and there was me who had just come out of law school. So I didn't expect anything, but in the auditions things went well. I was asked to come for the next session, the next session, the next session. Oh, do you want the job? All right, yeah.
Imxiet fuq il-passi tiegħu oħtu żgħira u llum flimkien kellhom waħda mill-aħħar provi fejn evidentament kienet kemm xejn differenti minn tas-soltu. Iż-żifna tinvolvi fl-ixken tal-ilma u l-bi sportiv, hija waħda enerġetika u astratta l-aħħar.
In this piece, if you get distracted by something, a bottle is likely going to hit you, or you're going to crash into someone, or you're going to break these lovely lights. It was created by someone who has a PhD in sports science, so the focus of it, what he wanted to do is to access this part of the brain where you're acting more on reflex than actively thinking. So in the same way that you'd see someone, like an athlete who'll catch a ball without thinking or things like that. So we're throwing bottles at each other, not just to terrorize us and to make us think, but so that you start training that as you're doing something, you're also aware of who is throwing bottles to you, who you're throwing bottles towards.
Il-koreografu Spanjol Jorge Creces semma din is-sifna 12 u bħal Keith kien jistudja wkoll l-isport, iżda jinħabb ma' tfajla żeffiena u beda jinnamra wkoll ma' sfin.
Idħol fuq one.com.mt u hemmhekk tista' tara l-programmi kollha li jxandru fuq One permezz ta' One Play.